full bag of gas, 9,000 feet. I think it was about 92 degrees that day. Go into confined area landings and still have the power to come out of the confined area landings with a lot of SAR members on the aircraft and being able to execute the mission. And the good news, we found the guy and were able to rescue the guy. So we are a dual agency air unit, so we consist of both the Ventura County Sheriff Department and Ventura County Fire Department, in which we provide both firefighters and deputies to staff our helicopters as well. We have a large contingent of volunteer doctors, paramedics that help to make us an ALS asset for our search and rescue mission. So the EPX, when we were looking to replace our aging fleet with the newer aircraft, the EPX was kind of a good sell for us. Our legacy fleet was Hueys, 205s, and we had a 212. So with the EPX, kind of a good solution for us because of the footprint. So for training costs, it was going to be fairly simple for us to transition to the EPX. So with that, our crew chiefs, same familiar footprint within the cabin space. Pilots, same footprint with regards to the aircraft, a rotor diameter somewhat, where the tail would sit in a lot of our outlying landing areas. So we didn't necessarily need to go out and reinvent the wheel because a lot of that had already been done. The biggest concerns we had going into the future too was the EPX good to operate with us with our elevation that we have with the mountains that go up to about 9,000, 10,000 feet, and it operating in Southern California where it gets very hot in the summer months, but also the relationship we had with Bell kind of played into that as well, to where it was a good working relationship. We trusted them. I think they treated us well with that. So being able to continue that relationship played into it as well. But the aircraft itself pretty much sold it for us as well. Like the single engine performance was something that was great. The transient range for power, the power between the EP, EPI, and then now the EPX was drastically different in my opinion, having flown all three. And the EPX, the transient range within that area actually was fairly large and pretty impressive to say that we could go out max gross weight, effect a rescue up in the mountains in some of the hotter months was pretty impressive. And we've actually since done that. We had a missing hiker up there. We were able to rescue the guy, so.